Hello everyone, my name is Vikalpa Vishwakarma and I have secured rank 14 in the recently conducted Indian Forest Services examination result. I am extremely happy to be sharing my knowledge with you all. So first of all, I'll be telling something about myself. I'm an electronics and telecommunications engineer. And after that, I have gotten some professional experience with Ericsson. And I started my UPSC journey in 2017, and Unique Academy has been my first interaction with the UPSC journey. I am from the 2017-18 batch, and since then I have given 2018, 19, and 20 prelims, mains, and I have consecutively cracked the prelims examination and appeared for the mains examination. And Indian Forest Services examination 2020 has been a game changer, and I'll be sharing my reaction on it. So 29th October was the day, I remember distinctly. And we four of us who were preparing together were having pani puri, and we had collected our phones, mobile phones, and kept it aside. And 6:30 is the time when all of our phones started ringing. So 20-30 missed calls came, and then later on we checked our phones to see that our results had appeared, and I had successfully and blissfully secured rank 14. And since then, the times have changed. So in short, I'll be sharing my preparation journey with all of you. 2017 is the year when I started my preparation journey. And with the guidance provided by the Unique Academy, I was able to develop an intelligent interest in the subjects like history, geography, which I had left long back in my school times. Current affairs was taken up by Jawad Qazi sir. So they had helped me a lot in preparing specifically for the prelims, which has increasingly gotten a lot of challenging portions in it. And then gradually I was preparing for civils, and forest prelims cutoff I could clear in 2020. And then the forest mains examination happened in February 2021. And then the interview happened on 18th of October 2021, for which the results were announced on 29th of October 2021. So in forests, I had my optionals as forestry and geology. I took up geology because I had geography as my optionals in civils. And the reason behind taking up geology was I was intrinsically good at making maps, putting up diagrams, explaining things in terms of flowcharts. So I evaluated my strengths and weaknesses, and I took up geology, and also it had a well-defined structure and syllabus to it. And I could finish it up within a span of 30 to 40 days. The other option was forestry. The reason behind taking up forestry was it is a very small subject, and we also have to prepare for forestry for the personality test. So this was the primary reason. Also, I had a good support system to prepare for forestry. We were a group of 4 people who were preparing together. So there was a dedicated book called Manikandan and Prabhu. We had to refer that. And also side by side, there were a lot of YouTube videos through which we took ample guidance. And I didn't join any specific test series for the mains, forestry mains. But the writing practice, which I had been doing for the civil services mains examination, has helped me in getting past the mains of the forestry. And then on 16th of June 2020, the results of mains forestry came. And then for 3-4 months, we were dedicatedly preparing for the personality test, which was going to happen on 18th of October. So with a lot of discussions with friends, interacting with senior officers in the services like IPS Mahesh Bhagwat sir, IFS Ramesh Pandey. So they have helped us in grooming our personalities, tackling challenging questions, and having a bird's eye view for each and every topic that comes through. So these are important persons which I've come across in this journey. And the credit which I would like to give for this collective success is my family, my parents, my brother, my immediate and close relatives, my friends, and my peer study circle. So we called our study group as It's Possible Group. So the most important thing in this journey is to believe that it is possible. Clearing this exam is possible, and you are made for this exam. This mindset has to be carried across each and every day to get past this exam. Also, second, I would like to give the credit to is the institute, Unique Academy. Unique Academy, I must tell you that it was the first hammer that happened to temper something into gold. And few important teachers have come across is Jawad Kazi sir first. His unique panoptic badge, the program's called Thursdays, 321 Thursdays, and his personalized assessment of my essays, which I wrote, had helped me in refining my writing practice. Also, secondly, I would like to thank Vijay Kunjir sir for his well-structured and opinionated views, which were which I was able to translate into giving answers during the personality test. Also, the turning point which I came across during this journey was making up the decision to move to Jamia Millia Islamia University for my preparation. I distinctly remember the day when I was having second thoughts of whether to continue with this preparation or not. And few of my friends had motivated and encouraged me to, give one more attempt. And my friend had suggested that Jamia could provide you with ample physical and social infrastructure that could help you in propelling towards your dream destination. So last year, 18th October 2020, I packed my bags and went to Jamia. And 18th October 2021 is the day when I had my personality test in the UPSC Bhavan. So this complete year has been a turning point per se, I would say. And for a student's preparation, 3-4 factors are important. And I would like to sum up them. First is positive self-dialogue. I used to always wake up and tell myself that it's possible, I'm enough, I'm lovable, it's possible, I will be able to do it. If the interview panel is great, I'm great too. And I have achieved a lot in life, and I will be able to contribute somehow my little share in this journey. So I was always having this positive dialogue with myself. And also practicing yoga and meditation helped a lot in keeping the mindset positive. I would like to say that mindset is much, much, much more important than the skill set in this exam. And having a positive mindset is extremely important. Second point is be your own cheerleader. There will be times when you will be feeling down and dusted and completely out of fuel, but you have to recharge yourself every single time. And thirdly is you have to evaluate your preparation with utmost honesty. You have to ask yourself whether you have completed the daily targets you had set yourself for. And you have to have an honest opinion on every part of your preparation, be it the prelims test series, the scores, the mains answers, or the personality tests, the answers you are giving to yourself. You have to time and again reevaluate yourself and seek help. And there is ample of help available. There are online sources, there are few honest mentors available, and you should not scare from seeking help. Also, third thing is you have to do contingency planning, contingency in terms of financial contingencies, emotional contingencies. For example, I would say you have to, if there is a financial contingency, you have to parallelly look for alternative career options. Also, emotional contingency, you have to have a strong, solid support system in terms of the family, the peer group you are preparing with, few good friends who encourage you, motivate you at times when you are low. So these are few points which, if kept in mind, can do wonders in the preparation and otherwise in life. So this is in short about me. And thank you again. And have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Subscribe the Unique Academy's YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates and videos.